Okay, so this is the final step. I've taken the decibel killer out. It's just a small Allen headed bolt that screws in underneath here, and then you grab the dB killer with pliers and pull it out. So there it is, very simple. And you can refit it easily anytime. So, I'm slightly trepidatious. Let's see how loud it is. Okay, I would call that significantly louder, but actually I still wouldn't call it obnoxious. And it's quite nice. What I will do is I will use the bike today without the dB killer in it, and see if I can come to a judgment about whether it's going to be acceptable to go around town like that, go past horses, that sort of thing. And I will add notes to this video on the road test. Okay.